They are saying once a teacher, always a teacher. Community Secretary for Information and Mobilization. I want to ask one question to the comrades here, but not to the high table. Okay, I want to hear from 2 or 3 comrades. What is the aim and objective of a political party? The one main thing, the major reason why we have a political party. I want to hear from you. Comrades, tell me. I want to hear from 2 or 3 comrades. Why do we have a political party? Why do we have SWAPO? Okay, our first aim there, those years 1960, was to liberate Namibia. And Namibia has been liberated. Why are we there? We're supposed to liberate Namibia 21st of March 1990 and get away with SWAPO. Why are we there? I will be shocked if I don't see many hands from the comrades. And in fact, you are senior comrades from your districts, from your regions, senior comrades who ought to know this one. I'm not asking the 2. Yes, my comrade here.
Good morning, thank you very much. To uphold, defend, and protect.
Very good. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, very good.
What I know, I think, is to siphon the police driving the economy of the country. Yeah.
Very good, very good. Another one, I want to hear from 2 more. Yeah, not to you.
Yes, to ensure that the well-being of our nation is being taken care of.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Another one, maybe finally. Very good.
To sustain peace and stability of this country.
Okay. Very good. We are done. We are done. Thank you very much. Especially the last 2 comrades put it nicely. The last 2 comrades. To develop this country and to sustain peace and development. But the major, just to put it nicely, the major reason why we have a political party in the country is first and foremost to acquire a mandate from the electorate of this country and run the affairs of the country. That's why the 2 comrades put it. To sustain development, to sustain peace and stability, and to develop this country. Now your work as local authority councillors is to help to develop this country. By developing this country, people will be very happy and we will have peace and stability like the last comrade. So therefore, dear comrades, from local authority councils, esteemed participants and friends in development, the office of the Secretary General of the SWAPO Party is profoundly delighted to join you this morning to officially open this very important capacity building workshop for the SWAPO Party local authority councillors. Dear comrades, we have to remember that we have been glued together to work together by the SWAPO Party. So we have no choice whatsoever. Whether you like me or you don't like me, whether you like your colleague, your fellow SWAPO Party councillors or not, you are glued together to work together for the benefit of the people of this country in the areas of your jurisdiction. The Office of the Secretary General has always been prioritizing training capacity workshop for the SWAPO Party cadres and will continue to do so. Indeed, this training is of paramount significance in as far as service delivery to our masses is concerned. The most primary task of the local authority councillors is to make sure that our members receive services due to them. That is the only reason why we can sustain the existence of the SWAPO Party in areas where we rule. The SWAPO Party, in collaboration with the Education and Training Unit for Democracy and Development in Southern Africa, and to support the Swedish Social Democratic Party, collectively present our party employees to local authorities in Namibia. It is very important that we continue to work together with our colleagues and our comrades elsewhere in the world to help us to build our capacity. Dear comrades and compatriots, our councillors from various towns across Namibia will be capacitated through an advanced training in our quest to ensure that delivery of quality services to the people is not compromised. Local authorities have a daunting task in creating a conducive environment for development of communities, upliftment of lives, thriving of businesses, as to ensure economic growth by providing services such as urban service, land, sanitation, and housing, just to mention but a few. Local authorities are indeed central to the fulfillment of the SWAPO Party election manifesto and our national development objectives. That is what I have started with when I have asked you, why do we have a political party? Because we have signed a contract with the people of Namibia through the election manifesto, saying that once you vote for the SWAPO Party, we are going to do A, B, C in our different areas. So that is the contract that we have signed, and we are being capacitated here to make sure that we fulfill the promises we have made to the electorate. It is therefore crucial that those who are custodians of our settlements, village councils, town councils, municipalities, and city are equipped with the necessary skills, knowledge to ensure that our promises to the people of Namibia are honored. Our town councils and municipalities must therefore endeavor to champion sustainable urban planning, income-generating activities, especially for vulnerable groups, including in agriculture and employment, infrastructure rehabilitation and development, provision of affordable housing solutions, and realization of Namibia's human capital potential. Community Director of Ceremonies, dear compatriots, I have no doubt that this workshop will bring about fruitful engagement and progressive deliberations that will enable our deployees to the local authorities to go from here and provide accelerated service delivery, making an impactful contribution to the socio-economic development of our country. Dear councillors, let us not forget that as deployees of the SWAPO Party, our terms of reference is the SWAPO Party election manifesto. SWAPO Party election manifesto guided by our political program. Let us therefore from time to time refer ourselves to our promises to the people of Namibia, to guide our actions in fulfillment of mandate bestowed upon us. Dear comrades and friends, we hear that from the level of local authorities, in some areas, we hear that some councillors don't cooperate with their fellow councillors. And we are being shocked to hear that. As I have said earlier on, the aim and objective of a political party, I did not ask the aim and objective of the SWAPO Party alone, meaning that the aims of and objective of any political party is to acquire power, to acquire mandate from the electorate. And the SWAPO Party cater, gossip a fellow SWAPO Party leader with leaders of the opposition. And leaders of the opposition, their aims and objective is to acquire power and mandate from the electorate. Meaning that you are gossiping how to transfer power from the SWAPO Party to the opposition party by a SWAPO Party leader, either at the local authority, regional council, or at the national level. Do you understand what I mean, dear comrades?
Yes.
If you don't cooperate with me as your Deputy Secretary General, if you don't cooperate with your fellow local authority councillors in your village council, town council, it means you are empowering the opposition parties to acquire a mandate from the electorate to govern the affairs of this country. Is that what we want as SWAPO Party leaders? I hope not. I hope you have never clicked in your mind what I'm saying now. Now you have the information.
Yes.
If I gossip the Secretary General and I want to get her down as my Secretary General, I will not get Sophia Shaniqua down as an SG. I will get the SWAPO Party down. That is perhaps what we don't sense. Therefore, comrade, I'm a comrade with an open door policy. You have my cell phone numbers from various platforms. One day, just if you hear anything, just call me. That you hear that I'm saying anything small, negative about my Secretary General. You will not hear it from me. Not me. Not the man you see in front of me here. What do I do if I see that my SG is doing something which is not in accordance with the rules and procedures of the SWAPO Party, not in accordance with the constitution of the party? I will go to her because I am the principal assistant of the SG. So the community SG, I think we should be able to A, B, C. If we do this way, this will go wrong. People will understand us this way. We will work within our party. Go to her politely, honorably, to make sure that we cooperate. That is what we have to do with your fellow councillors at your local authority.